I know one reason you've not started creating your video content is because you are still waiting to get a good microphone and a good camera, and you've been saving for a very long time to be able to get that 120k microphone and even get a better camera, perhaps an iPhone, to be able to start creating a professional video. But the truth is that you don't need any of these to start, and waiting for any of these is a waste of time. And if you still doubt me, then wait and watch to the end of this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you what you need to start with without wasting further time. Alright friends, my name is Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you are a new person here, please hit on the subscribe button, because that is one way you support me never to give up doing something like this. And if you've already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please watch to the end of this video. Now let's rock and roll. At first, when I got a desire of creating video content, I thought I need, professional equipment to begin with. Little do I know that I don't even need any of these things. At that time, I thought I need to save a lot of money to get a better camera or get a better phone that has good camera, and also get a professional microphone that will remove every noise from your audio. Though I never allow any of these things bother me, so I started with the little I have. On the long run, I came to understand that you don't really need any of these things to start with. I'm not saying having a good camera or having a good phone that has good camera is not good for you, but if you don't have it now, do not kill yourself over these things. Start with the one that you have. There are a lot of people on YouTube who don't even have good camera, yet their videos are going viral. Perhaps they don't even have microphone, but with the little they can do with the little equipment they have, their videos are going viral. So you can start with the ones you have. Good phone, good camera is not a yardstick that your video must do well. If you have good idea to talk about and you present it well, your video will go viral. People will find your video interesting. So do not let not having a good phone stop you from starting your video creation dream. Do not let not having a good microphone stop you from starting to create your video. So you just start with the little that you have. Before you know it, you can then have enough money to get a professional one that you've always dreamed of having. All this while, I've been able to get some of the equipment that I needed. So even after getting this equipment, I later realized that I don't really need them. For example, I have about 4 microphones right now. I have this microphone, I bought it long time ago, and I also have this microphone, I bought it long time ago, and I have this mini microphone as well, and I also have this one that uses Bluetooth. You see, I have a lot of microphone. I was just getting all of these to try the one that will fit my video creation very well, but later on I came to understand that I don't even need any of these. And as time goes on, I thought, let me get a good phone that has a good camera so that my video will be beautiful. But after getting the phone, I came to understand that the phone is not what I need. What I actually needed is to grow myself so that when I present any topic, people will be entertained, people will love it and get value from it. So I rather tell you to grow yourself on how you present your message than bothering your brain, racking your head about how you need to get money to purchase this expensive equipment to start creating your video. You don't really need any of these things. So now let me review one truth to you. Since I've gotten this equipment, the truth is I don't even use most of them. Now I have 4 microphones. How many microphones do I have to use to shoot a video? None of them. Most times I don't even bother to use microphone, and sometimes I just decide to use one just like the one I have on my neck here. So this is the only microphone I'm using while recording this video, and the camera I'm using right now is my phone camera, and I have lights. You can see I have ring light, and I also have this kind of lights, and at this moment I'm not using any one of it, and my video is very clear. And if you ask me how I've been able to come up with this clear video, it's very simple. Don't kill yourself about having lights. Don't kill yourself about saving a lot of money or your salary or your wages to get a studio light. It doesn't really matter at the beginning. So how do I get this clear camera, this clear video? I just went to a room that is more exposed to the sun in my house. So in this room, I'm just close to the window and I just open the window and let the sun comes in. So the sun is reflecting, and with that my face is very clear on camera. So you can do something like that. I don't even have a studio chair, though I do sit down to record some video sometime, but you can see right now I am standing. So you don't really need all of these things to start with. You don't need a studio desk, you don't need a studio chair, you don't need microphone. And another thing I would like to bring your notice to is that all these things that you think you need right now, the truth is they are all in the internet. That means they have software that you can use to do any of this. So for example, if you do not have a microphone, you can easily use a software online like Adobe Voice and Answer to clear your audio. For example, if your audio is very bad and you want it to go clearer, like perfectly clear, perfectly okay, you can take your audio, extract it from your video, and take it to Adobe Voice and Answer. You can see the link below this video. Take it there and enhance your voice, and then import it to your video again and merge them together, and your voice will just be perfect. Doing this, it means you don't need microphone anymore. You don't need to rack your head about how you can save money to get any kind of microphone. And this app is free. You don't need to pay for it. And if you are thinking of how you can make your video very clear, there are also good, software online that you can use to record your video. For example, even in CapCut, after recording your video, there are some functionalities there, some tools in CapCut that you can use to add, some background to your video. You can even remove your background and bring another background to your video. You can edit your face to make them show very well. You can edit your background, edit your video very well. So you don't need fancy camera. You don't need good microphone. You just need to start with the little you have. Learn how you can grow yourself. Grow yourself so well that any topic you present, people will always like it out there. People will always love engaging to your content. Spend time growing yourself rather than saving all your salary to buy a camera or a microphone. And also, if you prefer not to show your face because your camera is bad, you can go ahead and start creating video without showing your face. On YouTube, it is called Faceless YouTube channel. A lot of people have created such YouTube channel and they are making a lot from it. YouTube also accept that, and you can make a lot of money from it, and people can easily engage to your video and just love it. You can be telling stories, you can be vlogging without showing your face. So it's very easy to do. So in summary of everything I've said, I created this video to make you understand that one, you don't actually need a fancy camera to start with, to start creating your videos. And two, you don't need a professional microphone to start with. The time you use to think of how you can get this thing, you are just wasting it. You are just wasting that time. So start with the little you get, and before you know it, you can then have money to get all these things while you've already done so much on creating your video, while you've improve yourself. So it's very important that you start with the little you have now. All right, friends, if you have any questions regarding this video, then drop it as a comment in the comment section, and I promise to respond to them promptly. All right, my name remains Philip, and if you enjoyed this video and you got any value from it, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It is one way you support me. All right, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.